Looking at Hyatt Ziva Cancun, this all-inclusive resort has been making waves in the hotel zone since opening its doors in 2014. After undergoing significant renovations in 2022, this five-star property continues to attract families and couples seeking luxury without the hassle of planning every meal and activity. The resort strikes an interesting balance between sophisticated elegance and family-friendly fun, something that many all-inclusive properties struggle to achieve. The accommodation options at Hyatt Ziva Cancun cater to different needs and budgets, though all rooms maintain the same high standard of luxury. The ocean view rooms serve as the entry-level option, but don't let that fool you into thinking they're basic. These spacious retreats span up to 538 square feet and feature private balconies where you can sip your morning coffee while watching the Caribbean sunrise. Each room comes equipped with modern amenities including flat-screen televisions, daily restocked minibars, coffee makers, and premium bath products. The beds are dressed in crisp linens, and the bathrooms feature marble accents that add a touch of sophistication. For those wanting direct beach access, the oceanfront rooms offer larger balconies and immediate access to the white sand beach. The junior suites provide additional space with separate living areas, perfect for families or couples who want extra room to spread out. The Nespresso machines in these suites are a nice touch for coffee enthusiasts. At the top tier, the presidential suites are truly impressive, featuring 2 bedrooms, dining areas, and private terraces with jacuzzis. These suites also come with butler service, which includes everything from unpacking your luggage to making dinner reservations. The attention to detail in room maintenance has improved significantly since the 2022 renovations, with guests noting fresher decor and updated technology throughout all room categories. The dining scene at Hyatt Ziva Cancun deserves serious praise, offering variety that goes well beyond typical all-inclusive fare. The main Cancun restaurant serves as the heart of the dining program, featuring extensive breakfast buffets that include everything from fresh tropical fruits to made-to-order omelets. The themed dinner nights here are particularly popular, with Mexican and seafood evenings drawing crowds for their authentic flavors and presentation. Ziva Restaurant elevates the experience with fine dining that rivals standalone restaurants in downtown Cancun. The tasting menus change seasonally, incorporating local ingredients like fresh catch from Caribbean waters and traditional Mexican spices in creative ways. Wine pairings are expertly selected, and the live music creates an atmosphere that's romantic without being stuffy. Bella Italia brings authentic Italian cuisine to the beachfront, with pasta-making classes that have become surprisingly popular among guests. The chefs here make their pasta fresh daily, and the pizza oven produces pies with perfectly charred crusts. The sushi bar offers an unexpected treat, with skilled sushi chefs preparing fresh rolls and sashimi that would impress even in major metropolitan areas. The sushi-making classes are both educational and entertaining, giving guests new skills to take home. For casual dining, the pool grill serves up satisfying burgers, sandwiches, and salads throughout the day. The bars complement the dining perfectly, with the swim-up pool bar being a particular favorite for its creative cocktails and convenient location. The bartenders are skilled at crafting both classic drinks and innovative creations using premium spirits included in the all-inclusive package. The pool and beach facilities represent one of the resort's strongest assets, offering something for every type of traveler. The 3 main pools each serve different purposes and moods. The infinity pool creates stunning visual effects as it appears to blend seamlessly with the Caribbean horizon, making it a favorite spot for photography and quiet contemplation. The family pool features water slides that keep children entertained for hours, while parents appreciate the nearby seating areas where they can supervise while enjoying poolside service. The adults-only pool provides a tranquil escape for those seeking peace and quiet. All pools maintain comfortable temperatures year-round and offer swim-up bar service during operating hours. The poolside amenities include premium loungers, umbrellas, and attentive staff who regularly offer fresh towels and drink refills. The beach itself stretches for 300 meters of pristine white sand meeting calm Caribbean waters. The gentle waves make it perfect for swimming, while the water sports equipment adds adventure for those seeking more active pursuits. Kayaking and paddle boarding are included in the all-inclusive package, with instruction available for beginners. The snorkeling equipment opens up underwater exploration opportunities, revealing colorful fish and coral formations just offshore. Beach service matches the high standards set by the pool areas, with comfortable loungers, umbrellas positioned for optimal shade, and regular beverage service. The beach bar serves tropical cocktails and light snacks, creating the perfect setting for lazy afternoon relaxation. Staff members regularly rake the sand and maintain the beach area, ensuring it remains pristine throughout the day. Activity options at Hyatt Ziva Cancun extend far beyond lounging by the pool or beach. The fitness center received significant upgrades during the 2022 renovation, now featuring state-of-the-art cardio equipment, free weights, and dedicated spaces for stretching and floor exercises. The daily fitness classes include yoga sessions at sunrise, high-energy Zumba classes, and Pilates for core strengthening. Personal training services are available for guests wanting customized workout plans or instruction on proper equipment usage. The resort's entertainment program keeps energy levels high throughout the week with live music performances in the evenings featuring both local and international acts. The cultural shows showcase traditional Mexican folklore through dance and music, providing educational entertainment that appeals to all ages. Theme parties occur regularly, with beach parties and Mexican nights being particularly popular among guests. The resort also offers cooking classes where guests can learn to prepare traditional Mexican dishes and tequila tasting sessions that educate participants about Mexico's national spirit while sampling premium varieties. Water sports instruction is available for those wanting to improve their kayaking or paddleboarding skills, and the resort can arrange deeper water activities like fishing trips or catamaran excursions for additional fees. The spa and wellness facilities at Hyatt Ziva Cancun provide a sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation. The treatment menu incorporates both international wellness practices and traditional Mexican healing methods. The signature Mayan clay wrap uses indigenous clay known for its purifying properties, while the ocean stone massage employs heated stones collected from local beaches. The hydrotherapy facilities include contrast pools and specialized showers designed to improve circulation and reduce stress. The sauna and steam rooms provide additional relaxation options, while the couple's treatment suite offers romantic spa experiences for partners. The relaxation lounge serves herbal teas and provides quiet space for meditation or simply unwinding between treatments. Booking treatments requires advanced planning, especially during peak seasons, but the spa concierge helps guests schedule sessions that complement their vacation timeline. The wellness program extends beyond the spa with beachfront yoga classes that take advantage of a natural setting and sea breeze. Meditation sessions are offered for guests interested in mindfulness practices, and the resort's peaceful gardens provide perfect spots for personal reflection and relaxation. Families with children will find Hyatt Ziva Cancun exceptionally well-equipped for young travelers. The Kids Club operates daily from morning until early evening, providing supervised activities that keep children engaged while giving parents opportunities for adult relaxation. Arts and crafts sessions encourage creativity, with projects often incorporating Mexican cultural themes. Swimming instruction helps young guests become more confident in the water, while organized games promote social interaction among children from different families. The playground equipment meets international safety standards and offers age-appropriate challenges for different developmental stages. Family-friendly amenities throughout the resort include high chairs in all restaurants, cribs available upon request, and kid-friendly menu options that go beyond typical chicken nuggets and French fries. The family pool's water slides provide thrills for older children, while shallow areas accommodate toddlers and non-swimmers. Evening entertainment often includes family-friendly shows and activities that appeal to both children and adults. The resort's layout makes it easy for families to navigate with strollers, and staff members are trained to assist families with special needs or requests. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.